Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to create playlist on Spotify. For that, first you download the Spotify application and open the app. Then you need to get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your account, here you need to tap on your library from the bottom section. Tap on your library. There at the your library you need to tap on plus icon at the right side of your screen. From there you will be able to create a playlist. For creating new playlist, first you provide your name, then tap on create. Now that you have created your playlist, you can add songs to that playlist from your home or from any other section of Spotify. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.